guys, it's Dan Fingerhut with Adream Decor, and as you know by now, we're the representatives of native trails in our territory, the artisan manufacturer that partners with artisans from all around the world and delivers you their products that are handmade. One of those categories that they offer is copper or hammered copper. They just recently released a new texture in their hammered copper called Foundry texture. It's a lightly hammered copper as opposed to their heritage hammered copper now that it's a more heavily hammered. They also recently launched a sink called the Mandalay. It's a new style and a new design of a sink. I saw both of these at KBis, but not this combination before. So this is truly an unboxing video. I just got this in the mail. This is the Mandalay Sink in the Antique Foundry texture that I'm going to open up right in front of your eyes. So let's go ahead and open this up. This thing looks phenomenal. Wow, 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 wow. This is the new Mandalay shaped sink. And then in our Antique Foundry texture, which we heard a lot of KBis that it kind of gives the look of leather, and it really does. It looks like a leather sink, if I'm honest. This is absolutely beautiful. It's heavy. It is made by hand, by artisans in Mexico, that's distributed by Native Trails. This is the new Mandalay in our Foundry Antique Copper. You gotta check this thing out in person. Wow. Thanks guys for hanging in there with me while I unbox this and check out a new offering from Native Trails. I hope you're as impressed as I am.